How to fix if mobile data is slow on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection and click on Wi-Fi. So check your network is work properly. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so reinsert SIM. So after reinsert SIM, so you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon and click on restart. After just again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.